Okay, so I have the RAID card connected, but we're not actually getting it to connect now. It'll be fine that it's like gone there, it goes to the RAID card, and it's Control I. Status not responding properly. One wonders if there's something wrong with the actual card. But there are drives installed because I've rerouted the SCSI there. I'll try the other card, see if I have any luck with that. I've got another 2 cards I can try, so I'm not exactly out of options. So let's retry those, shan't we? See you in a bit. Okay, so this card is working, this one is not. Doesn't connect to the drives. And this is the interface, and I don't understand what the hell I'm doing, so I'm just playing until I find something that works. And the drives stop erroring. I don't know what the hell's going on. So if anyone knows about RAID, feel free to share your knowledge, because I've never played with RAID in my life. This is all a new learning experience. What the hell does any of this mean? Actually, I shall move on. I want to get an operating system installed. I want to get it set RAID 1. Why can't there be an option set to RAID 1? While this thing's been doing disk formats and that, I've had a little doze. I've connected the drives back up to the motherboard. I might try and do the RAIDing software. I didn't have much luck with the card, but this card does work, so I'm going to use it with the external tape library, which is a definite 100%. The SCSI cable will of course need to arrive in the post first. I'm tired and I need to go and get food. The snow is sort of mostly melted away, so now would be a good time to make a break for the supermarket. Yes, I fell asleep with the server going nice nap. Now I'm thirsty and need a wee, but I don't want to get off my chair. I have some good news. Where is it? There we go. The RAID software on Linux. Ubuntu server, an older version, and it's currently 1.15, and my camera forgot how to focus, and then it remembered again. So I'm gonna burn a disk for this, and hopefully the standard compact disk drive can read rewritable disks, and we should be able to start installing an operating system and doing the main RAID through software, and then the actual RAID controller at the back can go to its original purpose of being for exclusively linking to the tape drive. Also, reading the documentation, there can be some problems if you use both the internal channel and the external channel on some cards. I don't know if it applies to that particular one, but if it does, what a bullshit design decision. It would make more sense to make channel 1 the external and channel 2 the internal. Not sure what numpty thought that up. Anyway, on to the next part. God damn it, I thought that meant hard disks. Anyway, it likes the rewritable disk, which is good because that's in there. Surprisingly, this thing does not care when you operate it with the cover off. I guess it just shows how efficient the device is. Very nice bit of hardware. Yes, but I'm going to RAID them in software. I've got a thing up here, so if we just go to here, it's difficult to operate a computer for a monitor. We're here, which is all about setting it up on Linux, and we're using Ubuntu server, same stuff we put on that laptop there under the Veo. So this should be all good. We'll leave that doing that anyway, because it just checks that that burned it correctly, because I've had some problems with the disk drive in this. I think it's just dirt getting into the lens. But yeah, I'll inform you when there's actually some more progress, aka an operating system installed. Thanks for watching for now. I knocked out the power when doing the case back on, so I've enabled a more useful application in checking the CD. Checking the RAM, although I have no reason to believe it is bad because the server hardware has its own inbuilt testing systems. I wonder if you can get a version of this for Windows. This check disk RAM check utility is absolutely damn useful. I ought to give a look round actually. It'd be quite useful to have it as a standalone program as well. There you go, there's a processor. Are you kidding me? It only advertises itself with 512 kilobytes. Oh, that's because that's the speed it goes at, which is pretty decent actually. Pretty decent speed, and this is the thing with servers. They are just better. They're more interesting than standard PCs. Standard PCs are kind of boring compared to servers. It'd be quite good to get some old DOS PCs. I think it just comes down to I like something that's a challenge and that gets me thinking, and something that you can do mindlessly. I find that's boring. I like things that get my brain working. That's why I have the hobbies I do. And here's inside the Maplin's laser pointer. I'm trying to fix it at the moment. The lens has got scratched. Here's the lens barrel, and there's the lens. You can see the scratch and a bit of foil underneath it. And of course the little cap that screws on. So wish me luck. Getting that lens out is turning out to be quite a pain. I might just go back to, I'll probably go back to sorting out the server in a bit actually. But yeah, just an added. Now here's something interesting. Notice that red and black wire goes to the board, but there's also a diode connection. We might just have a secondary accelerator state. Fascinating. There are some cases where your repairs just make it worse. Looks like we're on eBay for a new laser pointer. I'm not going back to Maplin's because this thing was rather expensive. That is annoying, but such is life. I'm not really sure what I can use it for now. I need a new lens basically. I'm not sure exactly where to get a new lens. One is thinking, maybe I could use the lens from that. It's worth a try. Anyway, for now I've got other more important things to do. Like make dinner. I'm hungry. Dinner was nice. Excellent keyboard. And we're finally to the stage of installing an operating system, and the bloody monitor's not aligned properly. What button is it? I think it's no, it's not that one. Nope. That one. There we go. That's the one I wanted. The auto adjust. And so Mr. Server is doing its whatnot and loading additional components. You haven't even given me the thing to what hard drive to put it on. I need to know because I'm going to raid it. We shall see. Oh, hang on, what's this? Your system has multiple network devices. Primary network interface during the installation. The first connected interface has been found and connected, so we'll go with E0 as the primary. Yes, this thing has 2 Ethernet ports. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use 2 Ethernet ports for, but who knows? You never do know. Anyway, I'm going to continue with this installation. If anything interesting pops up, which it probably won't because it's just an installation, then I'll inform you. See you in a bit. I give Pentium 4 systems this. They are incredibly fast at installing operating systems, anything Pentium 4 and up. This old P-Theory kind of reminds me of installing operating systems on the first systems I ever really got hold of. to actually play with in this kind of manner, which was basically P3 based stuff and some Pentium 2 based stuff. P3 can only just about run XP. It was quite interesting getting variants of Ubuntu running on P2 and P3, although it ran slow as hell. But there's nothing really to add here. It's slowly doing it. It slowly requests me from things from here and there. I'll be going to bed in a bit because it's just hit 11. I want to wash up my saucepan, which is making my room smell of food. And for the last part of this video, it works! It is installed on the IBM server. Currently only running off one hard drive. I'll set up RAID tomorrow as I want to go to bed so I actually wake up in time and don't have to rush to get ready and focus, goddamn you. So shall we show you the login? I've got it set up as an FTP server. Yeah, I've got the FTP thing set up and something else I've forgotten what it was. Because I have the world's best memory. So we'll zoom in for you. No tripods in use today because I'm lazy. Can't be asked to get one out, so hopefully it's saying that. Can you guess what the username is? If you don't guess, you'll need a smack bottom. And this camera needs a bloody smack bottom because it can't focus. Ah, you.